those who bake bread, whether by hand or with automated equipment. Whether from Asia, Europe, Africa, or America. Whether craftsmen, R&D managers, engineers, or technicians. Whether specialists of today or of tomorrow. Welcome to those who bake bread with their heart. Welcome to those who are searching for the right recipe, the best ingredient, for the perfect process, the finest technique, for the ideal formula, for that detail that will make all the difference. To those who are looking for a solution to the problem or an innovation that will change the world. Welcome to those who are searching and who will certainly find. Welcome also to those who like to taste, those with success at the tip of their tongue, those who crave to know what others think and feel, to determine if their creation is good or if it could be even better. Those who want to discover other flavors, other horizons, those who know that taste differs from one place to another. Welcome to those who like the taste of sensory experiences. Welcome to those who wish to learn, those who search for training and aim to always perfect themselves, those who want to be inspired by passionate professionals, those who believe together is stronger and that learning never stops. Those who wish to share their very own way of doing, from Abidjan to Shanghai, from Buenos Aires to Budapest. Welcome to those who understand the best that bread has to offer. Welcome also to those who have a vision, those who want to innovate using new methods, new equipment and digital solutions. Those who develop recipes and services for the bakers of the future. Those who act day after day for healthier and more sustainable food. Welcome to those who rise up to the challenges of today and tomorrow. Welcome to the Baking Center Network.